Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Biyernes, September 6, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 12 and 31 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw. 9, 1, and 1 in exact order. Sa 4D Lotto, ang winning numbers ay 7, 4, 5, and 0 in exact order, with a minimum guaranteed price of 10,000 pesos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 4D Lotto, second prize, and third prize for your corresponding numbers. Sa Mega Lotto 645, ang winning numbers ay 44, 4, 27, 25, 15, and 38 in any order, with a jackpot price of 30,921,079 pesos and 20 centavos. Sa Ultra Lotto 658 draw, ang winning numbers ay 53, 45, 18, 41, 40, and 13 in any order, with a jackpot price of 142,668,861 pesos and 60 centavos. At bukas, araw ng Sabado, abangan natin ang 655 draw na may estimated jackpot of more than 270 million. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.